Good students, today I am going to teach you about leaves in which subtopic how do plant prepare their food. How do plant prepare their food? In this case, you know that leaf is very important role to prepare food for plants. You know that in the photo, leaves prepare food for plant by photosynthesis. Okay, students? By photosynthesis, such process in which plants observe carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and take water from its root, and in the presence of sunlight plant make glucose fructose and release oxygen during the photosynthesis. Okay, here how do plant prepare their food? Plant, and you know that before it I have taught you about leaves, role of leaves, that in which I tell you about leaves, that leaves of the plants are known as the factories of food for plant. Okay, here how do plants prepare their food? प्लांट अपने भोजन को किस तरह से वो बनाते हैं, इसमें पत्तियों का, प्लांट के पत्तियों का मेन रोल होता है। जो पत्तियां क्या करती हैं कि एटमॉस्फेयर के कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ऑब्जर्व करती हैं और वाटर के प्रेजेंस में पौधे अपने रूट से वाटर को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं और सनलाइट के प्रेजेंस में क्लोरोफिल, काज ऑफ क्लोरोफिल, प्लांट्स लीफ आर ग्रीन, cause of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is found in a chlorophyll. Chromata is a color. By chlorophyll, cause of chlorophyll, green blood are seen green. Okay, chlorophyll. Thus, take I observe carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and take water from its roots. In the presence of sunlight, plants leaf make food as fructose, glucose, and that time release the oxygen. Okay, student? Thus, leaves is very important role, have very important role to prepare food for the plant in the presence of process of photosynthesis, in which plants leaves observe carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, make glucose, fructose and release oxygen. Okay, student? Thus, leaves is very important. Here, for the plants prepare their food Plant prepare their food by leaves. By leaves. In this case, leaves observe or take carbon dioxide. Observe carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and take water from roots, from its root or atmosphere. In the presence of sunlight make food and release oxygen and release oxygen. Okay, then here you know that photosynthesis, plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, then in this case I will write here the process of photosynthesis, by which method plant prepare their food. Here photosynthesis, process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis as carbon dioxide plus water, sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, here carbon dioxide and water make, and in the presence of sunlight make your food. Here chlorophyll. Okay, then chlorophyll. Here sugar plus oxygen. Release oxygen, release. Sugar is the food of the plant and oxygen released during the photosynthesis. Thus, plants are very important for atmosphere and things and all, which observe the bad gas carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and they observe them and refine in oxygen, which relieves during the photosynthesis process. Okay, then, thus plants are very, very important for things. If plants are not, then any things are also be not on the earth. Therefore, plants are very important role, which release oxygen or give oxygen of all. Okay, then in this case, this process, photosynthesis process, is thus carbon dioxide and take water in the presence of sunlight with chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is found in leaf and make sugar and release oxygen of the in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, then this process is very important. Okay. After this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, then thank all of you.